What's up, y'all? Do my hair with me. I found a style on Facebook that I really like and I want to try it. This is definitely a trust the process video because in the beginning, I'm not gonna fake, I did not think it was gonna come out this good, but it came out excellent and I'm so glad I recorded it. If you like this style, give it a try. And I blowed out my hair with a blow dryer that I did a review on. So if you didn't see that video, go check it out because it is amazing. If you can see how straight my hair is and how easy it is to manipulate while braiding, y'all, that blow dryer got me right. It definitely made this a smooth process. I'm using some hair from the beauty supply store called Made Beauty Bohemian Box Braids 18-inch in the color 2. And I will be putting that picture up on the screen of the packaging so y'all can see all the products that I used. I did show you guys that as well, so you could definitely go back and pause if you want to try this style for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all enjoy my video, and if you like my content, stick around because all of it is like this regular degular content, nothing fancy. Stick around, join the gang. Yeah, bye y'all. Subscribe to my channel.
And I used to be on my relationship. Just try to look nobody but you. And I used to think all my affections but I think you're gonna tell. If you don't, you can come over here.